Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today with this tutorial you're going to learn how you can align any object. In our previous tutorial with object menu we just use this arrange with our object. So we're going to use align, how we can align our object in Illustrator. So under object menu you can find this horizontal align left, horizontal align center, horizontal align right, vertical align top, vertical align center, and vertical align bottom. So I'm going to draw this rectangle here. By holding Alt and Shift I'm going to scale this, and here I'm going to change the color. So when you select any object in Illustrator, on the top we have all the align tools. We have this horizontal align left, we have horizontal align center, and we have horizontal align right, and we have vertical align top, and vertical align center, and vertical align bottom. So here we have the option that you can select this align to selection, and you want to align to artboard. So we have only one object, so we need to select this align to artboard here. So if I want to align this to, so I'm going to align it from here, horizontal align left. So here we have this object on the left of the page. Why? Because we have this align to artboard. So if you have more object here and you change that to align to selection, so now if I want to align this to left, so as you can see according to the selection now it's going to align. But if I want to put this right here, so if I want to align this on left, so you can see based on the selection, so your object is going to align. So for align to selection you need more objects with your in your artboard with your Illustrator, so you can select that. So it's going to align based on the selection, but based on align to artboard, so now I can just click on horizontal align center here. Let's try horizontal align right, and also we have this vertical align top, and we have vertical align center, and also vertical align bottom. So the same options here, we have this center, right, top, this center for this vertical align center, and also we have this vertical align bottom. But if you have this one, so now if I want to align this on the center, so based on selection is going to align. And if I want to align it on the right, so based on this object, so this object is going to align. And if I want to align it on the top, so based on this object is going to align. If I want to align this on center, so these two is going to align. And if I want to align it vertical align bottom, so according to this one, this object is going to align. But if you have more objects, like if we have this, so if I want to align this on the left, so based on this one is going to align. I can align it on center, and also I can align this on right based on this one is aligned. And also we have vertical align top, and we have vertical align center, and also we have vertical align bottom. Based on this one, is going to align. So this is how you can use this align with object menu here. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to align your object with the artboard and also with the selection. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.